Okay, y'all. So me and my sister went to the hair store, y'all, and they had these wigs, buy one get one free, and they were already $39.99. So I had to get some. Okay, so this is the first wig that I'm gonna be trying, y'all. It's the Butter Lace by Sensational, and I've tried this lace before, and it was giving like extreme meltdown. So I wanted to try it for myself. So this wig has two combs in the front, one in the back. I'm gonna cut those two combs out at the front. This is also kind of like a T part, but it has more middle part spacing than other T part wigs that I've seen. It also comes with this like elastic strap band or whatever it is in the back, and this is just the lace right here that I'm gonna be showing y'all. So yeah, it comes with baby hairs already pulled out. I don't know any inches or anything, but we're just going to go in with our foundation. I'm gonna be mixing both of those shades and put it all over the lace. And y'all, when I tell y'all this wig melted, not melted, fit so snug on my head, I did not have to use a wig cap because that's just how snug it was. Like, it was really giving glueless, to be honest. So I'm just trying to wig on, trying to see how I feel. Like, it literally fits my head perfect. Okay, perfect. So here I'm just pulling the hair back so I can get ready to glue it down, and pulling the baby hairs out of the way, just Lord Jesus, kind of fixing the wig, straightening it, like just making sure it's perfect on my head before I glue it down. Because so now I'm going to be taking this lace bun adhesive spray by Kiss, and I'm going to be spraying that over the perimeter of my hairline. I do not get this in my hair at all, but if y'all watch my previous video, I show you that this product does not even stick. Like, it doesn't make your hair hard is what I'm trying to say. So it was very easy to do. So I put that on twice, and then I just like to melt down the lace with my hand, like just make sure everything is sticking in place, because this glue does get tacky. I cannot talk today. This glue does get tacky really fast, so I like to do that before I put my elastic band on. And yeah, so now we coming back, y'all, and in the process of doing my makeup, because I wanted to see how it looked with a full face, with a big face. So I'm pulling the baby hairs out the way just so I can cut the lace. So yeah, I normally was like cutting my lace off before I apply my wigs, but I have started doing this because I see a lot of YouTubers do it, and it is so hard. I'm trying to cut so close to the hairline so that I don't have any excess hair. I mean, excess lace like I did in my last video. So I just think I show y'all one side on camera, because we're actually gonna blend this and glue that little extra piece down because it came up on both sides. So we're gonna glue those back down and melt it with some foundation and just do the whole process again. So I'm using the Ruby Kisses 16 foundation, like both shades, to place over that lace before we go back in with the spray and another meltdown. So y'all, here we are back again, and I did cut out a lot of footage because it was just a complete mess, because I was trying to do some baby hairs, y'all, and its hair was not sticking down. Like, it didn't lay down with spritz, it didn't lay down with mousse. It just kept coming back up. So I just said forget the baby hairs, and we just gonna go baby hairless, because I wasn't about to stress myself out with some baby hairs, y'all. But anyways, this is the final look of the hair, y'all. Like, I love it. It's so big and pretty. I was trying to decide if I like big hair. Like, people always tell me because I have a full face that I look good with big hair, but I don't know, I'm not used to seeing myself with it. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna try to find a link to this hair and leave it in the description box for y'all. But it's very cute, it's very affordable, and it's giving. Okay, so once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. And thanks for bearing with me while I do this voiceover. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.